Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Meet. So with Google Meet you can host conferences with up to 100 people, and the best part is that you can see them on screen, so it helps you to know the people you're communicating with. So let's start with opening it. So if you don't have it on your desktop, then you just have to go to Google Chrome and then type in, and then you just have to type in meet.google.com, meet.google.com, and then you just have to press the enter key on your keyboard and you'll end up on the home page, which is right here. So if you have a code, then you just have to enter it in here and you join an existing meeting, or you can start your own meeting. And to start that, you just have to go to new meeting and click on that. Here you can create a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting, or you can schedule a meeting in the calendar. So in this case I'm going to start a new meeting. On this side you can see there is a very helpful pop-up that has appeared, and you can see a URL which is right here. So all you have to do is copy it and it will be added to your clipboard, and you can paste that in an email or a message to share it with other people so that they can also be included in your meeting. Here you can also click on add others and type in their names. You just have to type in their names and their emails, and Google Meet will take care of adding them into your meeting. So at the bottom of the screen you can see that you have so many different options right here. So this is a microphone. If you want to say something in the meeting, then you just have to click on that and then it will be turned on. You just have to click use microphone and allow this time, and then it will be turned on. And if you want to turn that off, you have to just click it again. But when you put your mouse there, you can see that it brings for you a shortcut key, Ctrl D. So if you press Ctrl D, it will do the same thing, it will turn it off, and if you press it again, then it will turn it on. So let's then turn that off. So this icon here is for the camera. So if you want to turn on the camera, then you just have to click, then press use camera, allow this time, Oh, I can't use it right now, but if you want to turn it on, then you just have to click on that so that it can be turned on. But in this case I can't turn it on because the camera is in use. I'm using Camtasia, so it is really hard to, it can't be turned on. But if you want to turn it on, you just have to click there, and then there is this here, in case you are in a meeting and then you want to send a reaction, then you just have to click here and then you can send a reaction. It could be that, let's remove this. So you can click on that, or you can click on this, to give different reactions during the meeting. And if you want to say something, then you just have to click here and your hand will be raised. You just have to click on that, and then the organizer of the meeting can allow you to submit your answer. So right here, this is the leave button, the phone button here. You can use it to leave a meeting, to leave a call. So you just have to click on that. So for now I won't click on it, but you can click on it if you want to leave the meeting. And then so there is also this icon right here. It can be used to turn on captions. So let's turn that on. As you can see, it is translating everything that I'm saying accurately and efficiently. So it becomes very helpful if you have an audience, maybe if you have some people in your audience who have hearing problems, or maybe people who are deaf. It can really be helpful, yeah, so that they don't miss out on the meeting. So let's turn that off for now. So we also have some controls here. In case you want to use full screen, then you can just press on that. In case you want to exit full screen, then you just have to press on that, like that. And if you want to add backgrounds and effects, you can do that too. You just have to go here and then you can do that. So in case there have been any contributions in the meeting, you can always click this here, and then you know the people who have contributed in the meeting. You just have to click that there, yeah. And then let's close that for now. And then right here you can chat with everyone. In case you want to send a message during the meeting, you can just type it in here, and then you just have to send it, and everyone will be able to see it. Everyone who is part of the meeting will be able to see it. And right here we have the meeting tools, yeah. So the meeting tools are under here. There is a timer, yeah, and also other featured add-ons. So the add-ons are right here, yeah. There is also another option of adding people in the meeting. You just have to go right here on this meeting details. If you have an override, then it will bring meeting details, so you just have to click on that, and then you can copy this link here and you can share it with the people you want to join the meeting. So that's also another way that you can make people join the meeting. So let's close. Oh no, let's go back. So if that happens, like you go out of the meeting, you can always click on rejoin, yeah, and then you'll be able to go back into the meeting. Join now, yeah. So I was saying that if you want to add more people to the meeting, then you just have to go right here, copy the link, and then share it with the people you want to join the meeting. So thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.